Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your default font size in your Realme phone guys. You can see guys this very large size guys, your default is this text size. So you want to set guys in default, so you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set default font size means text size in your Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to set it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll. Guys, click on a display and brightness setting, tap here, and guys again scroll it. Guys, you can see guys your font and display size, so guys tap here and guys scroll. Then guys you can see your very large size, large, medium, and default and small size. So you want to set into default, so guys click on default font size and guys you can see apply option. First of all tap here, then guys your default font size like text size will set in your Realme phone guys. You can use your default font size. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font size meant your text size. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, bye bye. Before going guys, please go and like my video.